Artificial intelligence, AI, is driving a revolution in transportation, especially in the realm of autonomous vehicles. AI involves simulating human intelligence in machines, enabling them to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. In transportation, AI empowers vehicles to navigate, perceive their surroundings, and make decisions without human intervention. While the concept of autonomous vehicles dates back to the 1920s, recent years have seen significant progress, thanks to advanced AI integration. AI in transportation encompasses technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. These technologies collaborate to boost autonomous vehicles, making transportation safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables autonomous vehicles to learn and make decisions without explicit programming. Machine learning analyzes vast data to identify patterns and enhance real-time decision-making capabilities. Natural language processing, NLP, allows passengers to interact with autonomous vehicles using voice commands or text input. NLP enhances user experience, making autonomous vehicles more accessible and user-friendly. Computer vision helps autonomous vehicles perceive their environment, recognizing objects like vehicles, pedestrians, and road signs. Cameras and image processing enable real-time decision-making for safe navigation. AI brings several benefits to transportation, starting with increased safety for autonomous vehicles. AI technologies like machine learning and computer vision reduce the risk of accidents caused by human error. AI contributes to reduce traffic congestion through intelligent traffic management systems. These systems optimize traffic flow and minimize delays, improving overall efficiency. AI enhances fuel efficiency by optimizing vehicle performance and reducing fuel consumption. Natural language processing enhances the passenger experience through voice commands and personalized entertainment. AI optimizes transportation operations, reduces costs, and improves resource utilization. While AI offers numerous benefits, challenges include cybersecurity risks and regulatory issues that must be addressed for responsible adoption.